Imagine you're enjoying a quiet evening at home. You go and check your sleeping baby, and suddenly the baby camera turns towards you. Someone else is watching. Hackers are like burglars, always looking for ways to sneak in. As more devices within our homes connect to the internet, security is now a major concern for the everyday consumer. Unfortunately, existing solutions are too complex, too expensive, and insufficient. Meet Firewalla. We take the same cybersecurity technologies used by large corporations and integrate them into this small, simple-to-use box. Installation couldn't be easier. Just plug Firewalla into your router, launch the app, and you're done. There's not even a password to remember. Powered by artificial intelligence, Firewalla actively identifies and blocks cyber attacks against your internet-connected devices. For parents, Firewalla means no more unplugging of routers to manage how kids use the internet. A simple tap on the app provides the ability to monitor and control what kids are doing online on any device. Away from home? No worries. With a single tap, Firewalla encrypts your data and protects you remotely from public Wi-Fi's hidden dangers. You wouldn't leave your doors unlocked and invite a burglar inside. So why leave your internet-connected devices unprotected and hang a welcome sign for hackers? Make the right choice and support us today in building Firewalla. Your family's safety and security are worth it.